Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sajik. In this I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the MI10T versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. So MI10T which I did order recently from the Amazon website, which is a renewed product as you can clearly see friends. So right now I started to do testing on the MI10T as well. So this phone I did get for about I think close to 21,000 rupees. So that's kind of very good deal at this moment for the Snapdragon 865 processor, and with this kind of performance, let's see which phone can actually open these games faster and what will be the RAM management test comparison between the MIUI versus Realme UI. That's what my main idea of comparing both phones side by side. So right now friends, these are the 5 big games which I'm going to open between these both phones, MI10T versus Realme GT Neo 2. Let's see which phone can actually open these games faster. And first thing is that you should know which Wi-Fi network I did connect between these both phones. And both phones are connected to the same 2.4 GHz as you can clearly see. Let me slightly decrease the brightness. Yes. So right now as you can see friends, 2.4 GHz network. Both phones are exactly connected right now. So all the apps are completely clear from the background. Let me try to clear. Yes. And both phones are 8GB RAM variants and 8 plus 5GB RAM variant. I did use extender RAM capabilities in the Realme GT Neo 2. So let's get started with the first game, which is Asphalt 9 game. Let's see which phone opened this Asphalt 9 game faster. And there is no GT mode. I did not enable it during this kind of testing. So without any kind of GT mode, but I did enable the game turbo mode between these both phones. That's the reason you are able to see game turbo and game space boosters getting turned on. So UFS storage 3.1, both phones are having exactly same kind of read and write speeds. And first phone to open is the MI10T with the Snapdragon 865 chipset. And Realme GT Neo 2 is taking slightly some more time. And finally here it is. And next is the Battlegrounds mobile game. So as I said friends, even though this phone is kind of old phone, but still it's kind of in terms of the performance segment, it's kind of good a little bit. That's what I'm going to test. That's the reason I thought of buying it. So initial impressions were like okay. Apart from display, camera and other issues, I'll try to talk about those in the next in-depth comparison. So right now there is a test. First phone to open is the MI10T. Next is a Call of Duty. Let's see, is my game updated or not to the latest version? I need to check it. I think both phones are loading, and the first phone to show load is MI10T. I think this is kind of updating at this moment. That's the reason I thought of mentioning for you. Sorry friends for this kind of trouble. Sometimes I do forget to update. So let me need to restart this only Call of Duty test. So right now the game has been successfully updated. Let me need to clear from the background RAM management this Call of Duty game. So Call of Duty game is clear, and all 2 games are completely open friends, Asphalt 9 and Battlegrounds mobile game. Now let me need to open the Call of Duty game again. Let's see this time. So right now it's updated, so it should be kind of equal and fair comparison. So right now game turbo and game space loaded between the both phones, and first phone to open login is the MI10T. And Realme GT Neo 2 is taking a little bit of time. And MI10T didn't open the Call of Duty game fast. As you can clearly see friends, not bad. So 3 games were completely opened faster in the MI10T device. Next is Free Fire. So this is a normal Free Fire game only. This is not the Free Fire Max. This is just basic game, Free Fire. And first phone to open this logo is MI10T. And I'm tapping at same time, and first to log in also MI10T. So all in the speed test results you can clearly see the MI10T is slightly the winner when compared with the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Definitely friends, the Snapdragon 865 can actually come pretty much equal to the Snapdragon 870 chipset as well in most of the scenarios instead of Dimensity 1200. So all the 5 games are completely open between these both phones. You can clearly see 5 games, exactly 5 games, right? And RAM availability is showing about 1.79 GB and 3.2 GB. So that's not that accurate in the MI10T anyway, because of MIUI doesn't show this kind of accurate data. Only few phones they do show, not all the phones. So that's kind of something you should remember. But let's see how many games will be open between these both phones. Let's start with the first game, which is Asphalt 9 game 1, 2 and 3. So both phones didn't keep the Asphalt 9 game in the background RAM management. Both are loading. Next is a background mobile game. Yes, both phones were there. The background mobile game, no issues. Call of Duty game also, both phones were loading. I think MI10T did close the game. So maybe the MI20 might be a bit aggressive in terms of the load clearing the background of games. I think so. That might be the reason, as you can clearly see, friends. But Realme GT did keep this Call of Duty game in the background RAM management. And next game, I'm going to show you about the FIFA game. Let's go to the page and let's open the FIFA game. Here's the FIFA. FIFA game was there in the background RAM management, no issues. And World War II Heroes games also there in the background RAM management, no problem. So pretty much, friends, in the speed test results, the MI20 has got good advantage. In the RAM management test, the Realme GT Neo 2 has did get one advantage in the Call of Duty game. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And in case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And there's a quick comparison between both devices. And definitely I'll try to do my in-depth testing on the MI20 as well in the next couple of days. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.